So yes, my friends, it is firmly established that conspiracies exist, and they will continue to exist for as long as humans continue to walk this or any other world. And the reason conspiracies exist are numerous and include a need for control and even belonging. And if you don't think the need to belong to something special or different doesn't play a part, well, then you're just fucking different than me. And that is okay, by the way, being different. But the bottom line is, there's a shitload of reasons people create conspiracies, and a whole nother set of reasons why people believe in conspiracies. And if you were to ask me if our conspiracies exist, I'd tell you that our courtrooms are full of those wanting to conspire. And that is because every crime begins with conspiracy to commit the damn crime. Enjoy, my deluded ones.